looking for my one mount. The hell is it? Oh, I think it's up front. Damn wind's picking up. That's what I heard. Crack and fall. About a week ago. It was loud. Yep. Scared the hell out of me. It was dark and I couldn't see nothing. Wow, is that rotted out. Kick back here for a little bit. It is 24 degrees out. It's freezing. Keep an eye on the monitor there down through the power lines. Oh. Probably eat a couple snacks. Sun was out today, so a lot of trees and stumps and stuff on the ground's retaining its heat. It's pretty cool looking. Folks, look at that. That's the way thermal imaging should look like from a top of the line camera. I am getting ready to go out again. Man, look at this. 14 degrees. It's supposed to get down to like 7, but I don't care because I'm gonna be in this warm Jeep and running thermal again. I'm gonna order me a small pizza. By the time I get out there, it'll be close to dark. I'll have time to eat and get things set up and rolling. Oh yeah, it is my cheat day. Giannino's. Love their pizza. All right, done with my dinner. I had a small buffalo chicken pizza. And I just got the location I wanted to be at. So I'm gonna get the thermal set up, the window mount, and I got to get the iPad going to stream the video footage over. Come on, turn on there. It is 9 degrees out now, so it's dropped 5-6 degrees. Wind chill is supposed to be like 20 something below zero, but I'm gonna stay nice and warm in here. I will be back. Well, I'm just now getting a notification to update the Stream Vision app. Most of the time it's like bug fixes, so, and it's almost done. That's ready, that's ready. All right, we're updated and rolling. I think I'm gonna go with rainbow mode for a little while. Looks pretty good. Here we go. Man, I haven't seen nothing yet. No deer, no raccoon, possum, squirrels, anything. Not even mice. So damn cold out. I bet on coming back in the other direction, there's a couple hillsides. I bet the deer are laying on that, conserving their energy. I still haven't seen anything tonight. You can see the road there, tire tracks going up through the power lines. But I'm working my way back in the west direction. Well, I knew I'd find the deer. They're back in there about 75 yards. Looks like to be about 5 or 6 of them. And they're really laying down tight, conserving heat. Poor things.